Press your way right on in, family. Press your way right on in to Scriptorial Inspirations. Acts 13 and 3. So after they had fasted and prayed, they placed their hands on them and sent them off. After they had fasted and prayed, they placed their hand on them and sent them off. Sometimes we can be the answer to our own prayers. We can be the answer to our own prayers. Times when we should pray and act. Maybe that's just a missionary request. Who knows? But many times we are the answers to our prayers. In the first century, believe it or not, of Christ was spread by action. By going out and taking action within the world. That's why the book is called the Acts of the Apostles, not the prayers of the apostles. We should never downplay the power of prayer. We should never downplay the power of prayer. For it is something God has commanded all of us to do. For it is said, someday every knee must bow. Every knee. It didn't say some, it say every knee must bow. So let's realize that sometimes we need to back up our prayers with actions. Say it one more time, Scriptorian. Let's realize that sometimes we need to back up our prayers with action. That Holy Spirit will give you exactly what you need to do. Exactly. It's as if God, you ain't hearing God talking to you, but it's the Holy Spirit speaking. It gets no clearer. And when you act upon it, let it be seen in your actions. It's character. It's character. It's something I always tell the younger generation. It's better to be seen first versus heard. It bears repeating itself. It's best to be seen first, then heard. That light inside of you, they ain't gonna be able to dim it. So you're gonna be seen. You can expect to go to certain places, and when you walk out, cars pull off, or they'll park real close to you and just sit there with dark windows. You can expect that. You can expect to not be invited to certain events, and it's okay. You can expect that when you sitting in by yourself, it's just you and God. It's okay. You can expect to be treated less than. Not so much disrespected, because when that disrespect comes, that's a whole different player field there. But you can expect that. And it's okay. Because what you have inside of you is bigger than you. It's bigger than the one that's opposing you. So don't look at what's in front of you. Look at the one who sent what's inside of you. You better tell somebody, look at what the one who sent what's inside of you. That's the Jehovah. That's the Alpha and the Omega. From Scriptorial Inspirations, I love each and every one of you all with the love of Christ. As a recap, Acts 13 and 3. So after they fasted and prayed, they placed their hands on them and sent them off. Sometimes you are the answer to your prayer. You just gotta sit still and believe in that Holy Spirit and what He has revealed to you. It may not make sense, but just try it. Because you're trying it with faith and trust that it's been given to you by the Almighty, who already has it worked out. Prayer, pray, and act. See you in the next video.